This is How to Minwax. We're going to show you how to apply our oil-based and water-based pre-stain wood conditioners. To start your project right, it's important to have the right products. For best results, we offer Minwax oil-based and water-based pre-stain wood conditioners, which help you prepare bare wood for staining and prevent streaks and blotches. They should be applied to any wood, but especially come in handy when working with soft or porous woods like pine, alder, and birch. Use our oil-based pre-stain if you're adding Minwax oil-based stain to the wood. And our water-based pre-stain should be used before Minwax water-based stain is applied. Here's how to apply our oil-based pre-stain wood conditioner to clean raw wood. To check out our water-based pre-stain instructions, skip ahead in the video to 1 minute 44 seconds. To get started, you'll need our Minwax oil-based pre-stain wood conditioner, lint-free clean cloths, a purdy brush, a drop cloth, rubber gloves, 220 grit sandpaper or a synthetic sanding pad, and a stir stick. To prep, make sure the surface is dry, clean, and free of dirt. Then sand the wood with 220 grit sandpaper in the direction of the wood grain until smooth, and remove the sanding dust. Now, stir the contents of the conditioner and apply our oil-based pre-stain using a brush or cloth. Then allow it to penetrate for 5 to 15 minutes and remove the excess with a clean, dry cloth. Once the excess is removed, you can apply your stain. You must apply it within 2 hours of your pre-stain. For best results, we recommend Minwax Wood Finish, Minwax Gel Stain, or Minwax Polyshades. Now, for any water-based stain project, you'll want to use our water-based pre-stain wood conditioner as your first step. It prepares all types of wood for staining and helps provide a beautiful, even color. Here are the tools you need to get started. Our Minwax water-based pre-stain wood conditioner, medium to fine grit sandpaper, a purdy brush, a foam brush or a clean cloth, a few lint-free rags, a drop cloth, rubber gloves, and a stir stick. Before you use it, make sure the surface is dry, clean, and free of dirt, grease, glue, and any existing coatings. Then sand the wood in the direction of the wood grain. First using 220 grit sandpaper, then working your way to a fine grade sandpaper and remove all the sanding dust. Next, stir your pre-stain thoroughly and begin applying with a synthetic bristle brush, a foam brush, or a clean cloth. Let it sit for 1 to 5 minutes. Remove the excess with a clean cloth. If any product has not penetrated the wood, do not allow it to dry on the wood surface. After 15 to 30 minutes, you'll lightly sand the surface with fine grade sandpaper to smooth any raised grain and remove all the sanding dust. Then you're ready for Minwax water-based wood stain. No matter your project, Minwax will help create the best surface for staining to ensure simple process, satisfying results. Thanks for watching.